Today we're going to make a Thai pink milk. And the ingredients that we need to use are powdered milk, syrup, ice, condensed milk. Reminder: always ask the assistance of your parents when cooking. First, put the ice inside the plastic cup. Next, put the syrup inside the plastic cup. Next is, put the milk into it. Add the condensed milk. Lastly, mix it all together. And now we are finished making Thai pink milk. That's it for today. See you on our next video. Bye-bye!